ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. When the price was within this correction, we mentioned both the different possibility. Either we put this one in relative to this, or even we put maybe this is the only one we can put relative to this, and this is the one is broke the previous low. By the way, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, and the question was whether we should wait for one more drop before we get the reversal, or if we see any reversal from here, we can look for buying. By the way, as we can see, we get the sharp move. This is what we were expected because of this correction. Okay, anyone in this trade, they get the trade. Now the only things, at least they should, I mean, they should manage the trade. At least move their stop loss to break even if they don't want to get the profit. Because as we can see, maybe since we had the sharp move, maybe the price reverse and retest this low again. Okay, because we mentioned if there is a breakout of this top, if we want to look for continuation, we should get the correction. Right now, we cannot look for the new trade setup for buy because we don't have the uh, trade setup correction. At least if can move our stop loss to break even for those traders, they want to keep the trade. In case there is a reversal, at least they protect their account. If they want to take the profit, it's up to them. For me, what I do, half of my trade, I take out the profit, and the another half, I move on my stop loss to break even. Okay, because we were expected for continuation or correction, but this is what we get. But we cannot confirm right now if there is a reversal or correction for continuation. All right. In this case, we start with higher time frame. We move to daily chart. This is what we mentioned. We're looking for this correction for reversal. The question was whether can retest this low or not. We mentioned we don't need to wait any reversal. We can look for buy. And now this is what we get. We want to see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay. And if we move to forward chart, and even based on forward chart, we explain that how we can look at this. Everything is similar as to what I were explaining in my last analysis. We mentioned if we get one more drop with the breakout of the one, the reversal can give us better confirmation. But we mentioned if there is a continuation from here, also we can look for trade. This is what we get. And now we want to see if we get the correction, we can look for continuation. If not, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup. Similar to what we have here, we get a sharp move, the price drop. Okay, made this one reverse. That's why I mentioned if anyone is in a trade, if they don't want to take the profit, move their stop loss to break even. Okay, again, for me, my suggestion, what I do is I half of my trade, I take out the profit. The another half, I move my stop loss to break even and just let it go. If there is a reversal, at least I protect my account. Then maybe we can get, if there is a reversal, we can expect one more drop with the breakout of this. Then any reversal from there, I get the trade. I look for buy. If I see that this one start to correct here, it gives me an opportunity to look for buy. Then from there, I will look for buy again. By the way, right now we don't need to rush. We cannot look for buy even if we move to 15 minutes. What we have here, just the price reverse. We want to see what we will get here. Okay, if we are not looking for sell. We'll even if it give us a flag for continuation, for drop, it depends. But right now we are not really keen in the sell. And one more thing we need to know, if we see any flag similar to what I draw here, then maybe we get the confirmation for price to drop. This is where we should take out all the trades. But again, it depends on the traders. And as I mentioned, for continuation, if you want to like look for buy again, we need to get the trade setup correction. What we have right now, we cannot, we don't have any trade setup. Even the price continue from here sharply, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.